So what we're doing is, what I'm waiting for and how this separates it from just a prayer is that I'm trading with the trend. Now, this is how it's all set up. In the morning, every morning, I look at the VIX, and the VIX is going to tell me what level of premium decay that there's been. If there's a very high VIX, then I know that options are rich with premium. If there's a very low VIX, then I know that premium has been sucked out of them. Now, this creates two very different events. And believe it or not, the high volatility level, when there's lots of premium available, another way to say that is that premium has delayed its decay. We're talking about the 0 DTE day. When there's lots of premium available, that tends to fill up those options and give me a lot more potential to make profit. The other thing that it does, which is the inverse of lots of profit potential, is that it creates a small amount of risk. So that means I can get into butterflies cheaper. And so if I have a lot more potential and a much smaller risk, and on top of that, because there's less risk, my gamma or my delta is much lower. In other words, the profit curve in a butterfly, you have the butterfly like this, the profit curve in the butterfly is really flat like this. So that means that I can get into a trade easier. No matter how it moves, it's not going to throw me off my trade because price isn't going all crazy because the profit curve is flat. So that means I can put on wider butterflies. Now, if the profit or the premium is thin because of low volatility like we have now, that means that in my butterfly I have much less profit potential. And now this is an inverse relationship. Because there's less profit potential, that means that there's more risk. So that means on the same kind of butterfly, if they were the same, it's going to be a much worse situation in low volatility. So I can't trade with the same size. The high volatility one looks really attractive, and then the low volatility one doesn't look so attractive. So what do I have to do? There are two things I can do, and they're on the opposite ends of the spectrum. On the high volatility situation, I can make that butterfly way wider and bigger, and so it will have even more profit potential, and I can make the risk about the same as I could with the low volatility, but making the butterfly smaller or less wide. So each spread in the butterfly is narrower. And so now what I've done is I've taken and created a risk-adjusted potential trade.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable 0 DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care, guys.